Hello again, folks. I am inside Shommut Suites in the heart of Nakuru CBD, about to present a 3-bedroom Airbnb apartment here. Call 0791 055 678 for booking arrangement. Now, let's go. All right, so once you come through the lift there, our unit is on this side, and I'm just going to show you around. So there we have it. That is the lounge, a very spacious lounge with a 6-seater couch and even a swing chair right at the center there. You have, a massive television on that end for your Netflix, YouTube, etc. You just come here and continue, watching your Netflix series and YouTube content. And then on this end, look at those, roof to floor windows. They are really massive. You can see there is a lot of natural light coming into the room, a lot of sunlight pale. And of course, the space is really cozy, And then we go to the dining area. Right here, you can see again, the amount of space around it, for easy, sitting and getting up of that space, from that space rather. And so we have a balcony right here with a more sitting area outside by the windows, looking outside to the city. You're looking at the more developments ongoing in Nakuru city there. Right, and then the kitchen is right on this end overlooking the dining area. You can see you have a 4-burner gas cooker, you have a fridge here, dispenser, and even an oven. Basically, most of the, features that you expect in the kitchen, they are right here in this furnished apartment. And then on the outside, we have the laundry area, So this one even makes it easy for those who would wish to come for longer stays to spend their quality time here, because we even have a 12 kg laundry machine right there. All right, then let me take you to the rest of the home. Let me take you to the bedrooms. But before then, right here, we have the common washroom. So maybe if you guys are here and you even have guests who have come to visit you, they can always use that washroom. And let's check out our first bedroom here. All the bedrooms here are en suite, and this is the first one. So this is the en suite of this bedroom. You can see you have, the bath area on the far end, a toilet seat at the center, pedestal sink right there, and a mirror. And then turning like this, that is the bed area. That is a queen size bed. Yeah, queen size. And then, or rather, they call it a 5x6 bed as well. And look at the ample storage in those wardrobes there. Really massive. This place is just perfect for long stays. Okay, come with your clothes, fit them in there, and you can stay here for a month to even up to 6 months, even up to a year, if if you can manage. Yeah. So an extra seat there, and of course a window on that end again to see outside. Then coming like this, I assume this is the master bedroom. Okay, again with a big queen size bed, and look at the amount of wardrobes here now, and there is even a television right in the center of those wardrobes. And there is another sitting area by the window right there. Really awesome. Just draw the curtains, look outside. It gives you a sense of being outside, but you're not outside. Just that sense that I'm able to see what's happening out there. Okay, so this is the en suite again of this bedroom. Now we have another bedroom, the last one now. But the arrangement is different. So this one is a twin bed, which actually makes this unit versatile, so that you can come with guests. For those who will not share a bed, well, they can actually come here. But still, if they wish to share, these beds can be joined together, and then wanalala pamoja. And of course, again, you know, look at the amount of sunlight that is coming from this area here. I really love that. All right, again, you know, the cabinetry kule, the wardrobes rather, really amazing. Did I show you the ensuite of this one? Yep, there we go. There it is, you know, with a dry toilet, which is really impressive in this day and age. Okay, so up to that point, I think I've shown you the entire of this home, a 3-bedroom, and some of the features that are here. I may not have gone down to the nitty-gritties of everything, but at least you have seen, you know, the home, the arrangement, and the main amenities that you want here, you know. Sindio, when you go to Airbnb, there is that section where they list the amenities, the TV, refrigerator, cooker, you know, views, whether it is balcony views or rooftop views. Actually, I'm taking you to the rooftop because this apartment has those rooftop views as well. And of course, it's a matter of taking the elevator and going up there. I really love that lounge, you know. It is so cozy and roomy at the same time. Wow. Okay, so let me take you up to the rooftop so you have more views of Nakuru City. All right. There's even like a bench right there. Maybe I forgot it. It's like a waiting area or something. I don't know. Maybe, you know, or maybe for tying your shoes. Mtu anakaa pale. Well, I believe it can do a multitude of functions. So let's go to the rooftop. So from the rooftop here, depending on where you are looking, like this side, I'm looking to CBD right there. We are in CBD. On this end, you can catch views of Lake Nakuru. Yeah, like that. And the estates down there, the area of Langalanga. And that side, your views of the west side of the city. Right.